Hello students, welcome back. In our previous videos, we have learned about the key concepts about triangle and also the first property of triangle, that is angle sum property. If you all have missed that videos, find the link in the description. And today let's start with the next property. Before we start with the next property, students, let us understand the concept of exterior angles. Exterior angles kya hai bachcho? Let's understand that first and then we'll proceed with our second property. So exterior angles of a triangle. कौन से angles हैं हमने तो पढ़े नहीं अभी तक. Let's understand this first. Suppose if I draw a triangle ABC. Okay. Suppose we start with the triangle ABC. Let me quickly name it for you all. ABC. We have three angles, right? Angle A, angle B, and angle C. That is like these angles are lying in the interior region. Okay. Now suppose if one side of the triangle ABC, any one side, like say BC. So if BC is produced, okay, हमने BC को extend कर दिया, एक ray बना दी, and let X be the point on this ray. Okay, then the angle ACX, the angle which is formed here outside, बच्चों देखो ध्यान से, as we have extended the side BC to BX ray, we are getting another triangle here, that is angle ACX. So this is the angle which is forming in the exterior region of the triangle, and hence it is known as exterior angle. The angle which is not lying in the triangle or within the boundary. Okay, so angle ACX. Angle ACX क्या हुआ आपका? Exterior angle. Okay. Similarly, if I would have extended AC, suppose अगर मैं AC को मतलब कोई भी साइड एक्सटेंड करो बच्चों, अगर जैसे हम AC को एक्सटेंड करते हैं, ओके, इंस्टेड ऑफ BC अगर हम AC को एक्सटेंड कर देते हैं, तो बच्चों लुक हियर अगेन, हियर वी आर गेटिंग द एक्सटीरियर एंगल हियर. लेट मी नेम दिस एज Y. So here angle BCY is the exterior. Similarly, if I would have extended here B, suppose if I name it as BZ. So here students, you can find the exterior angle, that is angle ABZ. Okay, so the angles which are not in the interior, which are lying in the exterior region, is known as exterior angles of the triangle. So here you can find ABZ exterior है और उसका interior adjacent angle है ABC. Adjacent है ना, linear pair बन रहा है यहाँ पे देखो. तो basically exterior angles ही हमें समझना था यहाँ पर. Interior angles आप सबको पता है, right? Exterior angles are the angles which are formed in the outside of the triangle, that is in the exterior region. Okay, now related to these exterior angles, bachcho, we have the exterior angle property. We have the next property, that is second property, exterior angle property of the triangle. Exterior angle property. Now this property says that for any triangle, suppose this is triangle ABC extended to X. जो आपका एक्सटीरियर एंगल है, ओके, ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल जो होगा आपके इंटीरियर इनसाइड इंटीरियर में ऑपोजिट एंगल्स का सम होगा. ओके, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी क्या कहती है? इफ एनी साइड ऑफ अ ट्राइंगल इज प्रोड्यूस्ड, ओके, देन द एक्सटीरियर एंगल, जो आपका एक्सटीरियर एंगल है, this exterior angle will be equal to sum of interior opposite angles. So, जैसे यहाँ पे आपका exterior angle है ACX, right? तो दिस ACX जो है दिस विल बी एग्जैक्टली इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ इंटीरियर ऑपोजिट, अंदर से और ऑपोजिट मतलब एडजेसेंट वाला नहीं बच्चों, इंटीरियर में ऑपोजिट, ओके, दैट इज एंगल A प्लस एंगल B, जिसे हम अगर फुल नेम में लिखेंगे तो इट विल बी CAB and ABC. So this is your exterior angle property. I hope students you all are getting this. Easy to understand. Okay, very easy to understand. Sure. So here now we can just pause the video, note down this property, and we will start with the solved examples with related to it. Okay, so let's start with the first example, students. In the first example, it says find the value of x. Okay, so here you have a triangle BCD with you. Okay, and here in triangle BCD, they have given us two interior angles. Angle C is given as 60 degree and angle X is D is given as X degree. ये है आपके interior angles. And they have also given us the exterior angle, that is angle ABD as 130 degree. Okay, and here we have to find the value of X. If we stick to the property of exterior angle, it says that exterior angle, exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angles. So exterior में कौन सा angle है बच्चों? It's angle ABD. So this ABD is equals to sum of interior opposite. Interior में opposite angles. ओके तो आप अंदर से देखिए ट्राइंगल के अंदर कौन से दो एंगल्स है, एंगल सी और डी, और वो ऑपोजिट है, इट्स नॉट द एडजेसेंट वन, राइट? ये वाला अगर एंगल होता तो ये एडजेसेंट होता, दैट इज CBD. एंगल बी जो अंदर से है इंटीरियर वन, दैट वुड हैव बीन एडजेसेंट एंगल. So here the sum of interior opposite angle, that is angle C plus angle D. So this is equals to 130 degree equals to 60 degree plus X. सॉल्विंग दिस अहेड बच्चों, 60 जो है वो आगे ट्रांसपोज हो जाएगा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, सो इट विल बिकम 130 माइनस 60 इक्वल्स टू x, राइट? सो देयरफॉर वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 130 माइनस 60 कितना हुआ बच्चों? 70 डिग्री, राइट? सो द वैल्यू ऑफ x इज 70 डिग्री, विच मीन्स दैट देयरफॉर एंगल D जो है वो है आपका 70 डिग्री. आई होप यू ऑल आर क्लियर टिल हियर. Let's proceed with the B part. In B part, it says that exterior angle is 72, that is angle PRS जो है वो है 72 degree. Okay, and interior में आपको angle Q दिया है 4x and angle P is given as 5x. Again with the same property. कौन सी property बच्चों? Exterior angle property. That exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angles. We can write angle PRS is equals to angle Q plus angle P. Okay, by exterior angle property. Clear? So angle PRS is 72 degree, angle Q is 4x and angle P is 5x. So it will be 72 is equals to 9x, where x will be 72 by 9. That is equals to 8 degree. So value of x here is 8. Okay. अगर आपका value of x is 8, then what is angle P? 5 8s, that is 40 degree. Okay. And here 4 8s, 32 degree. I hope students you all are clear with this example. Take a pause and try to do it on your own. Now let's start with the second example, students. The question says that one of the exterior angles of a triangle is 100 degree. Okay, आप एक triangle ले लो. Triangle, suppose this is PQR. Triangle PQR extended to S such that we have the exterior angle here, and this exterior angle is 100 degree. Okay, and its interior opposite angles. अंदर से interior में opposite angles. It means angle P and angle Q are equal to each other. But they haven't given us the value. They are just saying that it's equal to each other. They have not given us the angle here. So let this angle be x, suppose. If angle P is x, angle Q is equal to it. That means angle Q will also be x. Now it says that what is the measure of each of these two angles. So very first important thing is बच्चों आप अपनी conditions के accordingly equation तैयार कर लो. Then you all are comfortable with solving the equations, right? फिर आपको वो आसानी से आ जाएगा definitely. Just understand the question well, read the question twice, understand the given condition and frame your own equation. So according to this, now we have exterior angle, okay? That is angle PRS as 100 degree. And by exterior angle property, it will be angle PRS equals to sum of the interior opposite, right? That is angle P plus angle Q. Yes or no, students? Please take a look. If any doubt, comment in the comment box, students. I'll surely revert you. It says that exterior angle 100 degree है और हमें interior opposite angles ढूंढने हैं such that कि वो interior opposite angles equal है. ठीक है? So what we'll do is we'll use exterior angle property in the triangle. So in triangle PQR, okay, PR is 100 degree, that is your exterior angle. And then by exterior angle property, we know that exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposites. So let's substitute the values here. It will be 100 degrees equals to x plus x, as both of them are equal. So now this will be 100 is equals to 2x, which means बच्चों आपकी x की value कितनी आएगी? 100. 2 transpose to the left hand side will become division, multiplication division बन जाएगा बच्चों. So this will be 2 ones are 2 50s. So which means your value of x is 50 degree. I hope students you all are clear to yourself. Now if I extend this question, अगर मैं आपसे कहती हूँ कि बच्चों आप angle R भी निकालिए, interior angle R निकालिए. That is what will be measure of angle PRQ. Okay, now you have x as 50 degree. ये x भी 50 degree है. Okay, so in this triangle, in the interior of the triangle, we have two angles, and can we find a third using angle sum property? है ना? आप angle sum property से आपके पास दो angles या आप third angle find कर सकती हो, or you can see this QS is a straight line. It's a straight ray, right? And adjacent angles on a straight line is linear pair. So आप linear pair से भी angle R को find कर सकते. ओके सो जैसे बच्चों आपने अपनी ज्योमेट्री स्टार्ट करी है पढ़ना, ओके धीरे धीरे जैसे आप आगे बढ़ेंगे आपको सारे लॉजिक्स एक साथ में यूज करना आना चाहिए. जस्ट टेक मोर प्रैक्टिस. वीडियो नहीं समझ आया हो तो अपनी डाउट्स मुझसे क्लियर करो, ओके और सिंपल वे वीडियो को फिर से पूरा देखो. ओके नाउ वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. Thank you so much, student, for watching this video. If you like this video, please do share, like, and comment. Thank you so much.